Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, we're going to be looking out to small loan platform for students in Nigeria, and these are the loan platform you can actually use in case you need a fast and quick small loan to sort out some bills. Probably you want to buy some handouts, materials, food stuff, like a quick and small amount of loan which you can actually just use to guide for the future purpose. Probably you are expecting some money or allowance from your parents and you feel like you just need a quick loan to sort out a quick bills, then you can pay back once you get your allowance. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through some loan platform which will help you in getting small loan to sort out small bills, then you can pay back as at when you have the money available. And also have it at the back of your mind that if you take longer to refund or to pay back any loan you borrow from any of these platforms, the more the interest rate will keep on increasing. So the best way for you to do and to escape out of this issue is to just choose the appropriate time that you believe that you're going to pay back the loan. If you are expecting payment or money at the end of the month, and you can just choose to pay back at the end of the month or the first week of another month. With that, you'll be able to skip through the interest rate on any of this platform and you enjoy the low interest rate so that you won't have all the expecting money paid as an interest rate from any of this platform. I'm just giving you this idea so that it will also help you when you're trying to get a loan from any of this platform, because sometimes most of these loan platforms will not want to understand all these things. They just feel like probably you want to scam them or run away with their money. So that is the best way for you to skip through any high interest rate and also make sure you pay back any loan you borrow from any of the platform. So the first one which you're going to be looking at is iMoney Plus, which is one of the instant loan platform you can actually use to get loan as fast as possible in Nigeria. I literally don't know how much of loan you will be interested in, but from this platform you can get a loan of up to 5,000 naira, 8,000 naira, 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira, and make sure you're not borrowing more than what you actually need in case of incasity. And then on this platform you can get a loan amount of up to 8,000 naira to 200,000 naira, and as long as your age is beyond 18 years old, you can actually get a loan from this platform. Ignore the regular source of income. As long as you are expecting money on a monthly basis, this platform is going to borrow you a loan to sort out your bills. And with the platform you can actually get interest rate of on a loan from 12% to 50%. That is why I said you must make sure you choose the right time which you are going to pay back the loan you borrow from this platform, so that the interest rate will not keep on increasing. If you promise to pay back after 20 days and you end up not paying the loan back, the interest rate will keep on increasing. So you have to make sure you choose the appropriate time which you are going to pay back the loan on this platform. Then you are going to get you are going to enjoy this loan space online, as it's quite amazing when you're trying to get a loan. And then as long as you follow all the due process, you're going to enjoy it without much interest rate at your end. The second loan platform, which is another one of the best loan platform for students, is Link Loan, which is another safe loan platform in Nigeria. And with this safe linked loan, you can also get a loan of 50,000 naira, 20,000 naira, 5,000 naira. This all depends on how much you actually want to borrow. But basically, if you're a student, I believe you won't need a huge money to borrow online. So you can actually just pick from the low interest loan platform, which is Link Loan, and you can get a loan of 10,000 naira, and the interest rate for that will be just 1,863 naira from this link loan specifically. So you can walk through the whole platform and see how it goes. Low interest rate, loan without collateral, 24-hour customer support, protect all your personal information, which I'm very sure it's very much important to you. So how you can actually apply for a loan on Link Loan: download the app from Google Play Store, register with your mobile phone number, select the online loan amount and payment period you want, upload all the request information correctly, probably your ID card and some other information which they didn't link, but of course I'm very sure they are still going to ask for your BVN in case. So make sure your age is over 18 years old, which is very important. Then you have to wait for them to get back to you if you are eligible to borrow a loan from the platform or not. So you can also reach out to them in case you have some queries. Reach out to their phone number and their email account so that you can get in touch and have more insight about their platform. Another loan platform for small loan for students is Naira Loan. Naira Loan is another great loan platform which you can actually use to get a quick loan for yourself in case you need an urgent loan to sort out some bills. And this loan platform already have over 100,000 people that have downloaded it, either students and some other people who actually need a loan for themselves. And with this loan platform, you can actually get a loan of up to 500,000 naira. But then what will you need 500 naira for as a student if you actually need a quick loan? So I feel like you might just need small loan which you need to just sort out small bills as fast as possible. And this loan platform sounds like the interest rate is very small than others. So if you kind of like get 10,000 naira loan from this platform, the interest rate for 91 days is just 455 naira. Some other loan platforms charge like 1,800 naira, 1,500 naira, 1,200, and some other interest rate just like that. So I feel like this one actually charge lesser. It's quite lesser. That's around, it's not even up to 10%. It's not up to 10%, probably 5% or 7% of 10,000 naira. So it's quite great if you use this app to borrow money for your quick need. So you can check them out on Google Play Store. Naira Loan, which is one of the personal loan platform which you can use to borrow a loan as fast as possible in Nigeria as a student. Then okay, I've checked on this. Also check on the reviews so you see what people are actually saying about them. You can also reach out to them through their email. I'm not sure what's this email. So Pennington359@gmail.com, and this is their address in case you want to visit them. I don't know why. So these are the things I have to share with you as a student if you are looking for quick loan to sort out for some small bills. So you can check them out, all these three loan platforms, and see if they are ready to borrow you a loan or not. And make sure, as I explained when I started this video, make sure you check all these things and make sure you are very sure that you are going to pay back the loan as fast as possible so that you won't enjoy the high interest loan on any of the platform. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as I bring you more finance content and more. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.